Myself Atanu Niyogi, and I head the MedTech Pharma Healthcare practice at GlobalLogic APAC. Sure. I think in today's AI world, what we should really do and look at is not operating silos. Healthcare segment has been operating in silos for decades right now. There is so much data available, and what would be magical is the fusion. When multiple systems can talk to each other and make meaningful outcome and decisions, that would be magical. Like like for any cancer treatment, for a cancer patient when he is diagnosed, if the genomics data is fusioned with the cancer data, we can really predict how the cancer will be spread, which part of the body will be affected, and how easy that would make the treatment. So the fusion of data uh, from disparate system is the way forward. And to do that, the standardization will play a very big role over here. Today, all the data are not standardized. They have their own format. Uh, from long, there are standard formats like FIRE, HN7. The world needs to adapt to that to make these data fusion in real life. That's what I would talk about. Yeah, so the healthcare industry should invest in looking at the data that they have and how they can make a meaningful insight out of it, right? Today, data is not an issue. Data is actually commoditized today. If you look at the technology, that's not an issue. We are talking about AI. AI models are getting cheaper day by day. They are becoming open source. To talk about talent, that's also there everywhere. What will differentiate the healthcare organizations, be it medtech side, pharma, providers, payers, anyone? What would help and what will distinguish them is how they are making life easier for the caregivers. That's what would matter. If you can make a important diagnosis for them, which saves few minutes in their day-to-day chaotic life, that would make sense. So it's not about how you create a very complex AI model, solve a huge scientific problem. That's not what we are talking about here. What we are talking about here, how do you save time for the caregivers, the nurses, the doctors? That is distribution of the need.
And finally, one line about today's summit and a line about Financial Express.
No, I think thank you, Financial Express, for organizing this and inviting me here. This is a great moment, and being a panel speaker could interact with the great talents and minds in the industry. So thank you for doing this.